Welcome to Baking with Zach. Today we're making a caramel macchiato. Traditionally in a caramel macchiato you use vanilla syrup and you drizzle caramel on top after the milk and espresso is layered. But today we are doing a little different, double caramel. So we're going to use caramel syrup, caramel drizzle on top, ice we put in the milk to make it iced, and you're going to use your milk that you'd like. We are using 1%. We're going to put the ice in the cup.
Are you ready?
We're going to put our milk in. Make sure it's mostly the top but not too far up. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of our caramel syrup. Now we're going to add our espresso. You drizzle it on top of the ice, and it makes the nice traditional caramel macchiato look. Now we are going to add the caramel on top. You do a crisscross pattern. It's okay if the caramel sinks to the bottom. There you go. Caramel macchiato with caramel syrup. If you're all new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button.